Hey there, hope you're doing well. In this one, I'm going to draw Volcano Guy. Hope you guys can follow along and create your own drawing of this cool character from Stumble Guys. And hey, thanks for the suggestion. Let's draw. Let's start Volcano Guy with a bit of a construction area. I'm just got a bottom part here, another section sort of through here that comes around with a little circle which looks sort of like his hand or a fireball. So he's got a fireball hand, and then he's got some eyebrows sitting here and here with his eyes. Bit of a shape through here like this coming up, and then above here he's got this part, the top part of the volcano. Now it's shooting out some lava, and we're going to put it like I'm going to put like a smoke cloud up the top there like so. You don't have to do that, but I thought that would look good. And that comes around here. That's given me the basis of Volcano Guy. Let's start with some of the finger, and there's a bit of rubble here going into a ball shape which is sort of his hand. And then we have another piece coming off here like this. So that's all going to be lava or magma, whatever you want to call it. Okay, this steps across and comes down like so. Down, down, straight across. And then it steps down like this. Then we have a little section that's like this. That comes around to there. And we have a top section of that into there. Then this comes down and around. Now and then this comes back, and then this is broken up with like a stream of lava flowing down the side here. It comes down and then back up into here. It's sort of like a lava flow fall there. This here is that. Then we have another side of this piece here with a bit here. Then we have a rock that's sort of formed into there where the lava goes. That comes around, and we've got another bit more lava flow here coming up through between these rocks. Comes up and around here, and then it sort of comes up and then up past his face and from the side. So it's sort of like flowing down. There's the lava that's flowing down his face, and it branches up, must obviously go around the corner there. Okay, this bit comes around. This is the top part of a rock. Side part of the rock. This rock bit comes across, up, similar to that side, and then around, and back down like that, with another rock ledge underneath, with a little bit of lava coming out like this. And there's a few more little rock bits coming out here. This is also a little bit of lava coming around the corner. Bit of a rock here. Right, now we've got his face. So basically there's a line that comes around like this, like a Stumble Guys shape. Let's draw his eyebrows, pretty angry eyebrows. 1, 2, with a little edge on that one. You can see the edge on that one, and you see the front edge on there with yellow, yellow. Now we see the top edge of this to here. Then we don't see the top edge, then we see a bit of the top edge there. We see a bit of this edge, and then it comes around like so. And then here's the lava spurting out of the volcano. Let's bring this around, down, bit of a rocket edge coming out there, and then there's this rocky ledge to there. Then we've got another curvy line that comes around. Show that with our shading as well. Now with the smoke, I'm just going to sort of do a little bit like this. It's like a cloud. Make it a cloud, and then there's like bits of lava shooting up towards that. So sort of I'm just doing them as triangles sort of shapes. Some shooting in there, some out here, some into the cloud, and then there's little bits coming off the side here as well. And just got to finish this bit here off side of his cheek. Then there's another rock edge that comes around there like that.